Morning, everyone. It's the morning after a snowstorm. We got a pretty good storm last night. It's actually supposed to be storming till 6 p.m. tonight, but it doesn't look too bad this morning, but it may pick up again today, so I'm not sure. But anyways, my driveway is plugged up pretty good, and I got to get down to the pole barn and get the tractor. So I'm going to see if I can get down there. So I'm going to turn this camera around and we'll see what the roads are like. I haven't heard no snow plows go by yet or anything, so hopefully we can get through. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to turn the camera around here. Where my truck was parked in the driveway, it was like, it was like 1.5 feet, almost 2 foot high drifts all around it, but I plowed right through it. Yeah, they haven't been through here yet. I don't know if I should risk this or not. I gotta go about 2 miles down the road here. Guess I'll put her in 4-wheel drive high and see what happens. I won't go if I can always come back up if I have to get back home. Oh yeah. Look at that big drift up here. Pretty hard to see in the camera, I think. Like a couple people have plowed through here already, but it looks like it was a long time ago. Woo, that's a tough one there. Not too bad here, it's not drifted. I mean, it's deep, but it's those big, huge drifts, those are the son of a gun to get through. I don't think there'll be too many people going to church this morning. It's 7:09 a.m. right now. This is gonna be bad up here. Boy, that's scary. I think this is going to be the only road that's going to be bad because I got to turn left, and I think the east and west roads won't be quite as bad. So I'll catch you in just a second once I get turned up here. There's still a whole lot of snow on this road, but the drifts ain't as bad as the north and south roads. I don't know, it's gonna be fun getting into my lot where I gotta get my tractor out of. Well, I got her warming up. I just gotta shovel the doorways out a little bit, and we're ready to go. I see there's a snowplow out here in front of me, but they're not the one I need. The one from Darien. I need the other township. They're just turning around here on the border. So anyways, I'm gonna get going. Catch you in a bit. Well, I got the driveways all plowed out for now. Probably have to do it again later today. It's starting to snow again. I was hoping it was gonna quit because when I woke up this morning it wasn't really snowing any. They said till 6 p.m. So got some pretty big piles going here. It was a pretty good one. My car was buried. It was like halfway up the door. It was drifted around it, so I had a hard time getting that out of there. But anyways, we're all set now, and all set until tonight. So go in house and get warm, I guess. I'm gonna fill the tractor up with some more fuel before the day is over, or before tonight, I mean. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'll be right back with you in just a minute. There's a pile of snow at my pole barn and a driveway from the pole barn that I plowed out today. I mean, it's not all from the day, but it looks much bigger in person than it does on the screen. It's probably about 11, 12 feet tall. But anyways, I'm gonna go home and get something to eat. I'm starving. Yeah, I haven't had anything to eat yet. I left at 7. The snowplow went by right as I was just finishing up my driveway at the pole barn and heading down the road, so that turned out good. So anyways, we'll catch you later. We're all cleaned out and ready for the next storm, or it might be a continuation of this storm. I don't know. It's supposed to go till 6 p.m. but really don't look that bad. It's just once in a while the snow picks up but then it quits. So all right, catch you later. Have a great day, everyone. Bye now.